Create a professional logo animation in After Effects, but don't know where to start? In just under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to make your logo come to life. Let's jump in. Open After Effects, create a new composition at 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS. Import your logo file. Just drag and drop it into the project panel and onto the timeline. With your logo selected, hit S to reveal the scale property. Click the stopwatch, set a starting keyframe, then move the playhead and scale your logo up or down. Next, hit P for position and animate it to slide into place. You can animate any property that has this stopwatch icon next to it. Once you're happy, go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue and render your animation. And just like that, you've created your first logo animation in After Effects. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.